Hey, this is Jim Lewis with Lewis Landscape Services. Wanted to show you a before and after of a project that we're doing here in Tigard. So here we're replacing this deck with a new Paver Patio. We'll be adding on to the pavers in this area as well. Moving this fire pit over here to this area, and then replacing this lawn with synthetic turf. Adding some column wraps around these posts. That'll help enhance those posts and make those look great. We'll be adding some steps over here by the back door that'll wrap around. And this new paver patio will be level down with the ground, not raised up like this deck is. Alright, stay tuned for the after. Alright, let's see how it turned out. So here is our new patio we built. The new column wraps. There's how the steps turned out. There's going to be some stone up around instead of that siding. But anyway, this is the new patio. It's where we put the fire pit. New synthetic turf. Stuff looks fantastic. There's our new columns. They got a new dining set out here. So yeah, that's our job. Give us a thumbs up if you like it.